So now it is time for the last upload of this month, which is usually Plan With Me. So on these type of videos, we usually go back to the previous month's Plan With Me video, and I mean, not the video, the setup, and go over the goals and the stuff like that. I am dreading to do that for the month of February. As you can tell from the lack of uploads on February, I was gonna say French, I don't know why. Anyways, I didn't do much in February because I had a lot going on. Actually, it wasn't a lot, a lot was going on in here. So basically, I had to do this document stuff. I mean, it is still ongoing, but the most important part that was entirely up to me, that part is done. That is exactly why I am now capable of making this video. For the past 2 weeks, I have been like no one. Like, I haven't been able to do anything. I've been living like a zombie. That is what crippling anxiety can do to a person. So yeah, I'm done with the thing that was entirely up to me. So the pressure is off. I'm going to talk about this whole process more in depth in a couple of months. Right now, I don't qualify to talk about these. So once I am done with this shenanigans, I will talk about it. For now, let's just go over our February. Let's see how badly I spent my February. First 2 weeks were actually good enough. I get things done. I'm really afraid to open my goals page because I haven't done shit. Let's get into our February goals. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's start with the complete part. I did bathe my cats finally. It was such a hassle. I bathed Nala for the first time on my own. She apparently doesn't like baths at all. Nala doesn't like either, but she likes the warm water, but she doesn't like me touching, like she doesn't like to be touched. In general, she didn't like that, but yeah, I forced them to stay there and I had to bathe them, so I did. So yeah, that's an accomplishment. I did visit 2 new cafes. It was actually really nice to force myself to do that. First, I went with a friend, which I don't get to see a lot. She has 2 small children. She doesn't have time for even herself, let alone me. So anyways, we went with her to this cafe and it was a latte with gingerbread or ginger, whatever. It was the best thing I have ever had. Chef's kiss. But I am biased because I love ginger. I love gingerbread. Anyway, so, and the next cafe I visited, I went there a little bit unprepared because I wasn't actually going to go to a cafe. Me being underprepared caused me to not enjoy my time, and coffee not being good added on that. Anyways, but I did get some laughs out of it because I ordered latte macchiato and my uneducated ass don't know what macchiato is. So I took a picture because the coffee looked weird, and I posted this picture saying why they gotta put a hole on the coffee. And a friend of mine over on Bujo community, she explained why there's a hole. Anyways, at least I got laughs out of that, so it's fine. But yeah, let's move on to the disgraceful part. In progress part. There's Project 50. It ended on February 19, but for the past 5 or 10 days, I didn't do shit. So I'm going to put it in complete because I was aware that it is still going on, but it went on like it happened so bad. I cannot justify how badly I treated this challenge. That is why I'm going to be doing round 2. Next, I didn't finish my sketchbook. I only sketched for 1 session. I only did 1 session and sketched like 3 pages or 4 pages. Anyways, I am a disgrace this month. I did not do a push-up grind. I did not jumping. I did not do any of these. second a day. I have filmed stuff. I haven't edited, but today is 26th of February, so I do have 2 more days to finish this, but I will get it done. So I'm gonna put it in complete. I did not do work life. I did not do no sugar. I literally had a piece of cake right now. I am a disgrace, even more on this part. 8 videos, 4 videos. I didn't do any of these. 5 videos on this channel and none on the other channel. So 20 reels. Wow, I only did 1. 4 new listings. Nothing happened. On ukulele, I did learn 1 new song. I didn't practice anything else, and that 1 new song sounded so bad that after 3rd day I stopped. I know I'm going to continue to make it better, but yeah, I'm going to put it here, but I'm going to write that 1 song. Which song was that? Dead Inside. Yeah, we're done with the progress. There are so many things in progress column, and I don't even want to look at this column. It is infuriating, to say the least. Let's move to the to-do column. I had to draft a workbook. This is a workbook that I want to do for language learning. I haven't. I didn't get any graphic design project from abroad, not even local. I didn't even do that. I didn't watch Art with Flo. I didn't spay Luna. Luna has been like, she doesn't give me a break. You know, you can't spay a cat while she is in heat. And Luna has been in heat for a long time. And I consulted the vet. She said it's okay, just bring her when she's done. And she was done for like 3 or 5 days, and before I knew it, she started again. I thought I had 3 weeks to the next cycle of the heat. She didn't even give me a chance. So she started the heat again, the cycle again. I think she's on her 9th day or whatever, so she has to stop in these few days. And yeah, as soon as she stops, I'm taking her. I'm not taking any more chances. Oh, I'm so frustrated. She meows the whole time. We cannot sleep, we cannot do anything anymore. Next up, swimming pool membership, 3 piercings, laser hair removal. I didn't do any of those because, again, I had a bigger problem to solve. So throughout the February, I didn't care about these 3 at all. So yeah, it is just gonna have to move to the next month. Watch 4 movies. I'm going to put it in complete, but change the 4 movies to 2 TV shows. 2 TV shows. I watched You and Last of Us. Whatever is out, I watched. Editing goal, try new. Again, so as I didn't share any video this month, I didn't do anything on that, so I'm just going to keep it here. And fill in the life wheel at the end. I'm going to put it in complete and go to fill that on screen. So life wheel, I actually love doing these. So life wheel, business was fine, so I'm going to give it 7. Income was it was better than last month, so I'm going to give it 4. Fitness, again, nothing changed even though I tried. Relationship, again, it's okay, like everyone is fine. I'm not fighting with anybody. Fun, I would say fun was okay. Happiness, I don't know why I have this happiness column because it's always going to be 7, I think. So yeah, that's my wheel for this month. Now it is time to create our March goals. March goals, wow. I'm going to duplicate this because a lot of the goals will be the same. As you can guess, nothing happened on February, so I have to keep all of these goals until I complete them. start Project 50 round 2 this month. I'm going to visit a new cafe. This is from my bucket list. This is a recurring thing. It's going to be in my every monthly goals, as well as a second a day. This is a huge project, as well as this one, fill in the life wheel. I would like to keep this here as well. Ukulele, 2 songs, just practicing, not learning. Oh my god, all of these should stay here. And from in progress bar, I think I will have to keep everything here, except for almost no sugar. I'm going to delete this. I'm gonna tell you why. I realized that my body isn't good with sugar, but also it isn't good without the sugar. So I think that as long as I do enough cardio and enough physical training, I think it is okay for me to consume sugar on like 3 times a week, in my opinion. I don't recommend that to anybody, but from my experience, I have seen that it works. I don't want to do less sugar, but I want to do more movement. So I'm starting Project 50 again, but I will try my best to be more strict on it this time. I don't know, life happens, so I don't know, like I don't want to give any excuses because life happens to everybody else too. So I just have to find a way to get through the mental blocks. So yeah, going to put it back here and watch 4 movies again. When I went to that cafe, I had this piece of paper to write on. I usually take my journal with me everywhere, but that time I said I was like, I don't have much things to do in the city, so I don't want my bag to be heavy, so I didn't take anything else. I only had this. Thankfully I had this because I love writing. I wrote some ideas on here. For my editing goal, I want to prepare an intro for study vlogs. This is going to be something that I work on. I have so many ideas for videos, but they all take so much time, and after a while I get really tired. I don't know, I just want to be able to do them, but anyways, hopefully I get to do them. I'm going to put 5 videos on this one, and I'm going to keep 8. Okay, I'm going to make it 9 videos on YouTube. Let's see if I can accomplish these. I'm that kind of person who, if I'm not on a deadline or if I don't have the pressure, I don't do much. I say that I have time, I still have time, I'll get it done, but end up never doing it. So I want to push myself to be more like on the fence. I know I just said I want to decrease the level of anxiety I feel, but this is not anxiety because this is in my hands, and if I don't get to do them, nothing will happen. Let's just look at these goals on the category thing. I have 4 goals in social media, 4 goals in skills/studies, 6 goals in fun, 2 goals in career, 4 goals in health, 2 goals in business, and 2 goals in miscellaneous. That's it for my goals. Now I want to pop into this books and movies. So in the TV shows, I want to add Last of Us that I watched. I watched Last of Us. So far it is 5-star, and I started in February, and I haven't finished it yet, so that's that. Also, You. We don't have You here. You, season 4, right? I watched so far, and I will give it 3 stars. I have not seen any movies this month. Next up, we have Content Planner. In YouTube, I'm not tracking Instagram that much. So in my YouTube, I use these parts a lot, idea, outline, and voice script. I use that a lot. But now we're going to go into Content Tracker. 2 Pomodoro sessions. I have 365. I have this much views. A lot of views came from this not album cover shorts that I posted. Anyways, so this is the 4th YouTube video this month. I was going for 8 minimum. I was actually going for 12, but I said minimum 8. With this video, it's going to be 5 in total. For month of February, my goal, subscriber goal was 370, but I reached 365. And numbers of videos posted, it's going to be 5. And I will come back and change in the last day of February if anything changes in these 2 days. For the month of March, I would like to reach 380. I know that I didn't even reach 370, but if I post a lot, I think it is like I need to be posting a lot more videos than this. I think that's all. There's nothing else for me to do here. These are my goals for the month of March. Hopefully I get to complete them. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you did, let me know how your February went and let me know your most important goal for the month of March. My most important goal for this month would be spaying Luna. But I have to do that. But from my heart of hearts, I would like to finish my sketchbook because I would like to stick to drawing every day. So yeah, that is the most important goal for me in the month of March. Let me know what yours is, and yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end. I will see you in my next video, and take care.